Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the KICKER DS Series 6.5-inch speakers upgrade kit tailored specifically for Chevrolet Tahoe models from 1995 to 2014. Now, let me break down what you're getting in this package. First off, you've got a pair of KICKER 43DSC6504 speakers, boasting a two-way coaxial design that promises to deliver a full range of sound with impeccable clarity and a punchy bass. With a peak power handling of 240 watts, these bad boys pack quite a punch for their size. But that's not all. Alongside the speakers, you get a pair of Vixen Go VGH72-4568 speaker harnesses and Metra 82 to 3002 speaker adapters, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. No cutting required here, folks. Just plug and play, and you're good to go. What I love about this package is the attention to detail. It's clear that KICKER has put some serious thought into crafting a solution that perfectly matches the Chevrolet Tahoe, saving you the headache of scouring the internet for compatible components. Now, onto the installation. I have to say, it couldn't be easier. Thanks to the included adapters and harnesses, even those with minimal experience in car audio can get these speakers up and running in no time. Plus, the fact that they're designed specifically for the Tahoe means you can trust that they'll fit like a glove. In terms of sound quality, I have to give it to KICKER. The DS series speakers truly deliver on their promise of clean, crisp audio across the entire frequency spectrum. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or enjoying a podcast on a road trip, these speakers won't disappoint. Overall, if you're looking to upgrade the audio experience in your Chevrolet Tahoe, look no further than the KICKER DS Series 6.5-inch speakers upgrade kit. It's a package that offers excellent value for money, seamless installation, and most importantly, top-notch sound quality. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.